I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to create a document carousel LinkedIn post. Step 1. Prepare your content by creating a multi-page design in a tool like Canva or PowerPoint, and then export it. LinkedIn requires the document to be in a PDF, PPT, or DOC format to create the carousel effect. Step 2. Open LinkedIn on your desktop and click the Start a Post box at the top of your home feed. Step 3. Look for the icon that looks like a document or click the plus sign for more options and then select Add a Document. The Share a Document window opens. Step 4. Click Choose File to upload your file from your computer. Step 5. Once the file is uploaded, enter a descriptive document title. This title will be visible to users at the top of your carousel, so make sure it is clear and engaging. Step 6. Click Done. Add your main post text in the box above the document preview and then click Post to share it with your network. And a quick tip. When you're designing your pages, it is important to remember that most LinkedIn users will be viewing your carousel on a mobile device. To make sure your content is readable, try to use a vertical or square aspect ratio rather than a standard widescreen landscape format. Using a 1080 by 1350 pixel size is usually a great choice because it takes up more vertical real estate in the feed, which helps grab attention as people are scrolling through. Also, keep your text large and concise on each slide so that people don't have to squint to read your insights. Another great tip to boost engagement is to include a clear call to action on your very last slide. Since the goal of a carousel is to get people to swipe all the way through, you can use that final page to ask a question, encourage people to leave a comment, or direct them to your profile for more tips. You might also want to include a small arrow or a swipe indicator on the right side of your slides to subconsciously nudge users to keep moving through the deck. This simple visual cue can significantly increase the completion rate of your document post. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.